Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about Automata or ATA. Before I started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just gonna give you some prediction using a technical analysis. We're gonna start with the ATA per BUSD here. There is a moving average 7 on the 1.3592 US dollar. If they go down, then it will go down to the pink one side here, as I said before, having to close this a big volume before here. Right, in the pink one side here, moving average 25 on the 1.0816 US dollar here. For the RSI stochastic is in the neutral position, not overbought, not oversold. For the Bollinger Band here is trying to push it to the pink one side here, middle band on the 1.773 US dollar. If they go up, then it will try to push with a big volume, have to be a big volume in the upper band 2.0453 US dollar, and have to be break this one first. Right, break this one and then can make the 2.0453 in here, right? But I think it should be close this gap first, the big volume here first, and have a correction in here, right? For the 4-hour chart, basically it's already below this 4-hour chart, below this lower band at 1.2866 US dollar, right? Still having a correction, I think having a correction here. RSI stochastic already oversold position. And I think if you want to entry, you can entry like slightly on the 1.1 or 1.05, right? For the moving average also is already below all of the moving average here on the 1.2318 US dollar here. Okay, so the next move is you have to wait and see first. Either they have a rebound, so you can entry on the rebound side. Don't entry right now because still on the correction, as we can see in the daily chart says in here, having a correction, right? Thank you everyone, have a nice day, bye bye.